Hey guys, we're doing the analysis for gold. So let's do the top-down approach. Okay, so usually you can see for the month. Let's go for the month. There are some key levels to take note here. 1822165 is a good resistance that is broke on the 1st of July and created a new high. But you can see for the month it is trending down, possibly doing a retracement to go up, or it can go way down bullish. Right, let's look at the week. So the week, you can see that it doesn't create a new high, but also maintain a respected the support of 1934206. And for the day, you can see that there's a very strong support. I think it's 1927295. Right, so if there's a break here, it potentially go bearish at 1818318, or for the next week, if it's continuing bullish, the first TP or first level that is going to respect is at 199631, possibly to go up at 2066 2064032, and possibly continue to creating a new high. So the key level here is at 1929781. So I'm not a gold expert, but I'm just looking at the chart, naked charts for gold, and to see the price action and the way it's moving, understanding the nuances of it. And yeah, currently having difficulty to enter, although I can see on whenever it happens, but to execute, I always had a bad entry. So the last few days trading gold was not a profitable one, but playing for a loss, small loss. So yeah, standard SOP to go top down, month, weekday, and 4 hourly. So what happened yesterday was there was an NFP. I went long, thinking that this was a spot and it's supposed to be going up, but NFP pushed it up just like a sharp arrow, sharp needle up before going down. So you can see there is like a spike of almost 100 pips before going down to another 230 pips. Right, that's for gold. Yeah, look at 1 hour candle and 30-minute candle. So if you notice how I draw the charting, basically you can see here I'm just plotting where the price move. So I put here basically the price action moved around 8:30 to 9 Singapore time, 2 to 3 p.m, 9 to 10:30, and 11 possibly, and also during news where it's affecting USD currency, especially NFP. So I'm just plotting when the price move so that I can write on it. And basically for the 4 hour actually, what I did was I put some channeling to see a rough direction, and also I put zoning. So on top of the monthly, is labeled in gray, in purple, I put some zone for the day, of which you see here at 1927988. On the day it basically respected, that's why I put here as day one support zone. So potentially if the day broke down, it can continue down to 182,399, or potentially going even lower at 1816679. But with respect this H4 support and day one support, you can potentially go up. Basically the first level is at 1939840. Second will be 1944186. Then it can goes up. So you can see here that what I learned is that we have the support resistance plotted in 4 hour, possibly. That is our range lah. So when you enter, you know where to exit roughly. At least you know when to enter, when to exit, potential R&R, risk to reward ratio. I'm still struggling with the what I call the risk management, but at least you need to be self-aware of what you can do or how you want to enter, and possibly to narrow down the drawdown. So that's for gold. Yes, they took a long trade here, thinking that it was a spot on 4 hour and was potentially expecting to go long. So what happened was NFP basically spiked it up to, let's see, spike it up to this price here before it continues.
It's 12 hours.
So yeah, that's my analysis for gold. So the execution part, I still having difficulty, because once we have the markings plotted out, if you go lower time frame, the price action is a bit erratic. I'm still learning on how to enter the goal, because you can see even for the hour, you can see there are consolidation in this area denoted by the white box here. So I'm trying to figure out how to enter gold based on 1 hour, 30 minute, or 15 minutes. So if I enter here, potentially 82 pips up before it retracing down to another 100. So at 1 hour, maybe we can enter, but again, my difficulty now is to enter, because if I say it broke up the 1 hour candle, but then it'll be too late here because the closing of 1 hour before going down. But if let's say, like for this case for instance, it broke slightly up but it does not close above the zone, potentially I can get like 15 pips. Yeah, 15 pips. 15 pips, yeah. So I'm going even lower to the 30-minute candle to see where's my best entry. Previously was putting zones, but I'm currently a bit confused on the higher zone with the lower zone, because you can see the price action is very sharp. There's a lot of volatility. If let's say you take long, it's going to go into high drawdown before it goes up. So for instance, if I go here, if respected the support of 1934612, and if I say I want to go long, maybe I can get a good 15 pips, but the drawdown might be 38 or 40 pips before it can continue up to 80 pips. So yeah, so basically on the 30-minute support resistance, still a bit struggling on that, to have a very fine-tuned entry with lower drawdown. The fact that gold moves quite volatile, any entry, any trade entry, basically will have drawdown. So I'm trying to minimize that drawdown and to confirm the price action. So lesson learned, basically from top down again, the basic recipe is to go top down from the month down to the week, just to see the rough direction and potential zoning, then understanding where the days end, and 4 hour to see the potential TP target, right? And also notice that the 4 hour price did respect the 4 hour candle, right, where it closes. However, the wicks is a killer, whereby even though it respected here, for instance on the 3rd of September, it respected, but the wick, it may just, when I say the wick is WICK, it can go down quite high, actually 71 pips drawdown before it can continue up. So trying to understand the direction for gold. Yeah, so yeah, quite interesting for gold. Struggling on the entry, but roughly on the high time frame you can see the direction. Just struggling on the entry and when to enter. Hopefully I fine tune on the entry part in the later future. Okay, that's my analysis for gold.